Dear children, dear class 4 children, today you have to do page 142 in your class 4 copy, literature copy, in which you will be writing a paragraph on how we can reduce and reuse, if possible, the plastics in our life. Plastics, the most dangerous um, piece of convenience for us. It is a convenient thing. We use plastics for every for all our needs, but it is not required. Now you can just, when you read the paragraph and you read the whole thing, you will come to know how harmful plastic is for our planet Earth. Here is a fact file that Meeti has collected on the harm that plastics can do if used carelessly. Read and sort out the information and write a short composition based on it. Paragraph 1 should be on the harm plastics can cause on land. Paragraph 2 on the harm plastics can cause to marine animals and birds. And paragraph 3 should contain your ideas and suggestions for what we can do to recycle and reduce the use of plastics. Now, plastics are widely used. You know that. In the first paragraph, what will you do? You will write plastics are widely used. We use plastic bags. Our mothers get vegetables in the plastic bags. We use bigger plastic bags for big things, for carrying things. They are cheap. They are not very expensive because they last long. But it is a but they are a huge but they cause huge amount of pollution in our environment. Okay, how? If we just let the plastic remain on the ground for years and years, it doesn't get destroyed, it doesn't get decomposed, it remains like like a piece of sheet, and it will harm the plants and the ground creatures of land. Because if a plastic is on the land, and if some insects or creatures are you know underneath them, under them, then those creatures will die, because the plastics cannot decompose. It cannot decompose means it cannot get mixed up with the soil. It remains as plastic, and those creatures will die of loss of oxygen. Even the plants, because they'll get choked up, even the plants will get choked up. So plastics on the land or in the sea will cause great harm to our marine, means to our sea animals and to our land animals. So plastics widely used, easily and cheap to make last a long time. It's a huge pollution problem. Marine creatures, marine means water creatures, sea creatures, they eat plastic, because when you throw plastic bags or plastic things in the sea or in the river, so the marine creatures, that is the fishes in the sea, or the big fish or the small fish or turtles or all type of marine creatures will eat that plastic, and their stomach will get choked up and they will die. Especially turtles, they are endangered species. Endangered means what? Those who are going to finish from this planet, they will never be seen in coming years. So they are found dead with plastic in their stomach. Mistake plastic for jellyfish. And lot of animals who eat jellyfish, they mistake those plastics with the jellyfish, and when they eat that plastic, their stomach gets choked up and they die there and then. So plastics are so harmful. Our planet is full of plastic, and still we are using it. So just imagine what will happen to our marine life or to our land creatures. So one has to be very careful in using plastics. Then in cities, what do plastics do? They choke. Choke means रुका देना, स्टॉप कर दें. दे चोक द ड्रेन्स, पाइप्स को, जो नालियाँ हैं उनको रोक देते हैं. उससे फ्लड्स आ जाते हैं, उससे नालियों में पानी रुक जाता है. इट जस्ट गेट्स स्टक अप and the bad and it smells, and then it creates more pollution in the environment. Then large areas of land covered in garbage, plastic poisonous to burn. And yes, when you burn the plastic, it is too poisonous, because lot of harmful gases are released when you burn the plastics like methane gas, CO2 gas, and all other harmful gases, which again pollutes the environment. And when you inhale those gases, you'll fall sick. You'll have asthma problem. You'll have different skin problems, and so on. Um, it doesn't decompose easily. Decompose means it doesn't get mixed up with the soil. If it is a paper bag, it just gets mixed up in the soil and it becomes a soil, but not the plastics. Okay, and more than 10,000 marine animals die each year. Every year, how many animals die? 10,000 animals die each year. They get entangled in plastic nets, stomachs choked with plastic, blocks digestion. Cattle eat plastic bags and die. Even the cattle. Cattle means all those cows and buffaloes, when they eat plastic bags, they also die because the plastics get choked up in their stomach. So, children, you have to write a good paragraph of about 1.5 page on this on how to you know on how to use plastics, or how to recycle and reduce the use of plastics. And you may make a picture, but you just have to write a paragraph. This is your classwork of today. And along with this, what you have to do is you have to recycle and reuse. Let us recycle a sheet of paper into a hand puppet. Now take a sheet. If you take a green sheet, it would be nice. Just double fold it in the second picture. On page 143, if you see first picture, you just have to take a sheet, double fold it, and then triple fold it, and then cut the first part and just make like this. Then put two eyes, and then make a tongue like this, and put the tongue in between, and your frog is ready. Let me see how many children make this. This is your classwork activity which you have to do. It is a recycle and reuse of a green sheet, through which you will make a hand puppet. And this you will be showing it as a part of video, or this you will make and all the children will show. Along with this, you have to make one useful thing in your home out of waste available in the house. Like, you can make a pencil stand, you can make a flower pot, you can use any waste material and make a small scenery, and whatever you use. So kindly make a video, and you have to show one art and craft or one useful item prepared out of waste in your home, and you have to send videos. You will be given marks for it. So children, this video will be compulsory for all. You have to make this frog, you have to show that frog. Along with, you have to show one more thing which you have made out of waste in your home, and kindly send the videos. And this video will carry marks, because this is very important, which will make you aware of the concept of reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay children, let me see how you come up with the videos. I shall be glad if you listen to the video and you come out with nice activity based on this video. Thank you. And today in the live class, we will be reading the lesson, The Girl Who Hated Books. After this lesson, you'll be having 2 poems, and that will finish your literature. And in grammar, only letter writing is left. Letter writing in one or few more topics are left, which we'll be covering up in the coming classes. Thank you and have a nice day.